Hey guys, Cyclone here, and welcome back to another video. Sorry it took so long to get this video out, I just didn't want to record the outro for this project. Speaking of that, what is today's project? Well, I have this 410 shotgun. It's very old. It was given to me by my great-grandfather, and it's the only gun that I'm allowed to play with. So, I thought, you know what would be funny? I got some new tools. Let's put a bayonet on it. So that's exactly what we're doing. We are putting a bayonet on a shotgun. And it also took me so long to get this video out because I live in the South and we've been iced for the past week, so I couldn't do testing. But without further ado, let's kick it right into this video. This is the gun we're using. Gun. Gun. Really? Okay, so YouTube won't let me say the G word. So this is the pew pew machine. We good? Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is I haven't printed any of this. So we're going to take a little test piece. So we'll copy this out. Rotate it 90 degrees. It is 90, yeah. And then we are just going to maybe, yeah, get rid of the majority of this. Just like most of it. We're just gonna raise that up super high. Like that or something. Should probably bring this to 0 first. Bring that up to 0. Alright, and then we'll leave like, what, that much? Enough for the rail to be tested, yeah. So copy that. Now it is one piece. I'm just gonna move all this to the side over here. It's not needed in this model right now. I'm going to drop this in the center right here. And now, let's go print it, and then I'll print the piece to go on it to see if they match or what needs to be changed. So it almost fits, but not quite because of the sight. But I think I can use this as the locking mechanism, so I'm gonna cut a groove and figure it out. Hey, I want to see my trick for keeping the prints locked down? Right there. It's Scotch tape. I tossed a blanket on it before I went to sleep, but this has been humming for the past 8 hours. Alright, so we have our rail off the printer. First thing to do is take this little lip off because that will not be needed for the construction. Alright, let's see the adjusted fit. Let's go. Past the sight. I square it up. Boom. Now I got my chute. I can attach a bayonet or whatever I need onto it. This is so sick. Alright, so if you hear that running in the background, I'm printing this, which is going to go on this rail. These are all the designs I've got. The knife is basically going to go through here and push up against this back part, and that's why I have 2 of these to add extra support. And I'm almost out of filaments, so it's probably going to be different colors. That's interesting. Alright, so we have the piece off the print bed. I still need to remove the supports. The knife may not fit. I have not checked yet. I imagine I'm gonna have to do some machining. It never works that well first try. But, well, sort of. Our thing up here fits. It slides on much better than the last version. It's a little iffy. It could probably use a little bit of filing, but works good enough. It's icy outside, and the workshop is cold, so I'm gonna try and make this quick. It's Dremel time. You may be asking, when did you get a Dremel? And you would know the answer if you were following Cyclone Slayer on Instagram. So, that's on you. Let's get cutting to try and make the knife fit. And this is the moment I messed up. Well, that's something good to know. And this is the part where things started to go bad. If you look over here, I've got these pinholes up at the top for fasteners. I did not fasten it to the rails. So when I turned it over, it fell, and this little triangle here was meant to brace the attachment, but I didn't think about bracing for if it falls. So everything on the entire back rail is thin, and when it hit the ground, it snapped, and it looks like this. So that happened. Anyways, that will be the end of this video. I may make a V2. It might not even end up as a YouTube video. It might just end up on the Instagram, so make sure to go follow Cyclone Slayer on Instagram. I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe down below to join the storm, and I will see you in the next video. Cyclone Slayer over and out.